This is Laila Arjuman, lecturer in English, Milestone College. Welcome you all in our today's online class. My dear students, I know you are not so good because in this pandemic situation, you cannot go outside. You are missing your classroom, your friends, your teachers. But my dear students, you get enough time to study more in your home. That's why I am here to take your English class to help you. My dear students, every day we are delivering lots of sentences to express our thoughts and feelings. These are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Sometimes we deliver these types of sentence in direct speech. Sometimes it is in indirect speech. So, when we deliver these types of sentence, we use some signs in the sentence to express our thoughts. Can you guess what is our today's topics? Yes, our today's topic is punctuation marks. সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, আমরা প্রতিদিন অনেক ধরনের সেন্টেন্স বলে থাকি আমাদের আবেগ অনুভূতি প্রকাশ করার জন্য। এবং আমরা যখন কোনো কিছু প্রশ্ন করতে যাই বা কোনো কিছু জিজ্ঞাসা করতে যাই তখন আমরা কোয়েশ্চেন করে থাকি। তাহলে আমরা বিভিন্ন ধরনের আসলে সেন্টেন্স বিভিন্ন সময়ে উচ্চারণ করে থাকি। সেন্টেন্সকে আমরা 5 ভাগে ভাগ করতে পারি। অর্থ অনুযায়ী সেন্টেন্স 5 প্রকার: অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্স, ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স, ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স, অপটেটিভ সেন্টেন্স অ্যান্ড এক্সক্লেমেটরি সেন্টেন্স। কখনো কখনো আমরা স্পিকাররা কোনো সেন্টেন্স সরাসরি বলি ইনডিরেক্ট স্পিচে এবং কখনো কখনো ডিরেক্ট স্পিচে। যখন আমরা সরাসরি কোনো কথা বলি, দ্যাট মিনস ডিরেক্ট স্পিচে কথা বলি, তখন রিপোর্টেড স্পিচটা থাকে আমাদের ডিরেক্ট স্পিচ। আমরা যখন কোনো অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্স, ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স বা অপটেটিভ সেন্টেন্স বলি, দ্যাট মিনস আমরা যখন কখনো বর্ণনামূলক, কখনো আদেশমূলক, কখনো প্রার্থনামূলক কোনো সেন্টেন্স উচ্চারণ করে থাকি, তখন সেন্টেন্সের শেষে ফুল স্টপ এবং যখন কোনো কিছু জানতে চাই বা জিজ্ঞাসা করতে যাই তখন আমাদের সেন্টেন্সের শেষে প্রশ্নবোধক চিহ্ন ব্যবহার করি। আবার যখন আমাদের অনুভূতি, আমাদের আবেগ, আমরা যখন কোনো কিছু দেখে অবাক হয়ে যাই তখন সেই সেন্টেন্সগুলো প্রকাশ করার জন্য সেন্টেন্সের শেষে আমরা এক্সক্লেমেশন মার্ক ব্যবহার করি। তাহলে আমরা আসলে একটি সেন্টেন্স লেখার ক্ষেত্রে অনেক ধরনের মার্কস বা সিম্বল ইউজ করে থাকি। এই চিহ্নগুলো আমাদের জানতে হবে। এই চিহ্নগুলো কি সেই সম্পর্কে আমাদের আগে না জানলে আমরা এই চিহ্নগুলো ব্যবহার করতে পারবো না। তাহলে আমাদেরকে প্রথমে জানতে হবে হোয়াট ইজ পাংচুয়েশন মার্ক অ্যান্ড এই পাংচুয়েশন মার্কসগুলো কি কি। সো পরবর্তীতে আমরা এটি সম্পর্কে জানব। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, ডু ইউ নো হোয়াট ইজ পাংচুয়েশন মার্ক? We use some signs or symbols in the middle or at the end of the sentences to express our thoughts and feelings. These are called punctuation marks. তার মানে মনের ভাব ভাষাতে সুষ্ঠুভাবে ব্যক্ত করার জন্য সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে বা শেষে বিশেষ কিছু চিহ্ন ব্যবহার করা হয়। এই চিহ্নসমূহকে পাংচুয়েশন মার্কস বলে। ইংরেজিতে এরকম ব্যবহৃত প্রধান পাংচুয়েশন মার্কসগুলো হলো ফুল স্টপ, comma, semicolon, colon, note of interrogation, note of exclamation, inverted comma, etc. Some important punctuation marks are full stop, comma, semicolon, colon, note of interrogation, note of exclamation, inverted comma, apostrophe, hyphen, dash, brackets, etc. Now, I will show the rules of using punctuation marks. First one, full stop. 1. We use full stop after assertive sentence, imperative sentence and optative sentence. Number 2. After abbreviation, that means after any short form, we use full stop. Comma. 1. More than two same kinds of parts of speech, if we see in any sentence, that time we use comma between them. Number 2, after reporting verb in direct speech, we use comma. Note of interrogation and exclamation. After interrogative sentence, we use interrogative sign, that means question mark. After exclamatory sentence, we use exclamatory marks, that means exclamation sign. Inverted comma. In direct narration, before and after the reported speech, we use inverted comma. Apostrophe. After possessive case, we use apostrophe. Uses of capital letters. Number 1. First word of the sentence will be started by capital letters. Then, number 2. First person. Number 3. Proper noun. 4. First word of the quotation will be started by the capital letters. Now, I will show you the use of colon. Number 1. Before any quotation or giving any examples or giving any explanations, we need to use colon. Number 2. For writing dialogue, we use colon after the persons. Then we will start the dialogue writing. So by this way, we can use punctuation marks in the passage. Marks distribution of the topics. The question will be use capital letters and punctuation marks in the passage. It is the 11th number question of your English second paper. There will be 10 errors in the passage, and for each error the marks is 0.5. So the total marks is 5 marks. Dear students, now I will show you the use of capital letters and punctuation marks in the passage. Here I have selected a board question from Mymensingh Board 2020. At first I will read the passage because if you don't read the passage carefully, you cannot use proper punctuation marks or capital letters in the proper place. So, you need to read the passage carefully. The passage is, would you please tell me one reason of air pollution? Yes, the smoke from our household activities, vehicles, factories, etc. is mainly causing air pollution. Now, I will put the capital letters and punctuation marks in the passage. Dear students, do you know where you will use inverted comma, question mark, full stop, dot, comma, etc. in the passage? Okay, here I will show you how you can use these types of punctuation marks. The first sentence is, would you please tell me one reason of air pollution? Here, this is an interrogative sentence. That's why I put interrogative sign in this sentence. And it is a reported speech. When any speaker deliver a speech in a sentence, and if the speaker delivered this speech directly, that times we put inverted comma in the reported speech. That's why I gave inverted comma before would and after air pollution. Would is the beginning word, that's why W is capital here. So the sentence is started by the inverted comma and ended by question mark. The second sentence is, yes, the smoke from our household activities, vehicles, factories, etc. is mainly causing air pollution. Here it is a reported speech. That's why again I put inverted comma before yes and after air pollution. And if we see yes or no in a sentence, that time we put comma after yes or no. And here yes is the beginning word of this sentence, that's why Y is capital. Then household activities, vehicles, factories, etc. is the example of air pollution. That's why I put commas after household activities and vehicles. And at last I put full stop after air pollution, and I gave dot after etc. So by this way we write, or we can use punctuation mark in the sentence. So again I read the passage. Would you please tell me one reason of air pollution? Here I put inverted comma and question mark. And second sentence is, yes, the smoke from our household activities, vehicles, factories, etc. is mainly causing air pollution. Again I put inverted comma. Here I have selected another board question for your practice. This is from Dinaspur Board 2020. At first I will read the passage, then I will solve it. The passage is, "Hello old lady, what are you doing?" said the princess. "I am spinning a yarn around the spindle," replied the old woman. Now I will put capital letters and punctuation marks in the passage. The first sentence is, "Hello old lady, what are you doing?" said the princess. Here the princess is the speaker and the reported speech is, "Hello old lady, what are you doing?" This is an interrogative sentence, that's why I put interrogative sign after what are you doing. And here in the beginning of the sentence we see hello. If we see hi or hello in a sentence, that times we need to put comma after hello. And it is the beginning word, that's why here H is the capital letters. And if we welcome somebody by saying old lady or gentleman, in that time we need to put exclamation sign after the word. That's why I put here exclamation sign after old lady. And then again new sentence is started, that's why W is capital letter. And the reported speech is put by the inverted comma. So the sentence is started by inverted comma. "Hello old lady, what are you doing?" said the princess. And then I put the full stop. The second sentence is, "I am spinning yarn around the spindle," replied the old woman. Here the speaker is the old woman and the reported speech is an assertive sentence. That's why the reported speech is started by inverted comma, and here I is capital letters. First person always started by capital letters. And at the end of the sentence I put here full stop. So the sentence is started by inverted comma and ended by full stop. I am spinning a yarn around the spindle, replied the old woman. So by this way, we can use capital letters and punctuation marks in the passage. Thank you, my dear students, to stay with us. I think all of you have understood my lesson. Do you have any question? If you have any question, you can ask me anytime. I will be available with you. Thank you to stay with us. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.